I will go for the prose, a lesson for Nakul. A lesson for Nakul. Here I wrote a lesson for Nakul, written by Neela Subramanian. This is a very interesting lesson, and everyone should know about why this lesson is given to you, for not only you, for all the students. It's very important. Here I'll read the lesson. Take your pencil, underline the hard words and see the dictionary and you write it. I'll give you 5-10 minutes for you to go through this lesson. Then afterwards I'll explain you why a lesson for Nakul is very important for each and every students. That is, how do people become successful? How do people become successful? So now I'll read the lesson. Just you listen. There's two characters in the lesson. One is Nakul, next one is Akash. How many characters are there? Two characters. One is Nakul, Nakul. Second one is Akash, Akash. See, always noun is a capital. Then one more thing, when you are writing the first letter, always the sentence should be capital. Why again and again I am repeating the same things? For the punctuation is very important. It gives change the meaning, sometimes it gives the perfect meaning. Read this lesson and find out the sources of success. What's the sources of success in this lesson? I just will read it for one or two paragraphs. Then I'll explain you what is the content of the lesson. Then you can understand easily. The boys of class 6 came out of the exam hall. That means what? After finishing the exam, they are coming out of the class. Which class both of them studying now? Nakul and Akash, 610. Okay. When you are writing the Roman number, you should not TH. Like that you are writing, no, that is wrong. When you are writing the Roman numbers, you have to write like that only. When you are writing like this number only, you have to use for TH. Okay. You keep it in your mind for the simple things also in English. It's very important. Okay. Then, how did the maths paper go? Here, how did the maths paper go? Let's see how did the maths paper. This is a question mark, right? Inverted commas. Then you can understand somebody asked this question. I asked Akash, who was waiting outside. Who is waiting outside? Akash is waiting outside. Nakul is asking the question. So here inverted comma. So. This is exclamatory mark. This is exclamatory mark. I finished all the problems, though it was quite tussle. Replied Tarun. The one more character is Tarun. Tarun. Third character is Tarun. See, Tarun means you can pronounce the word for Tarun. It's Tarun. Tarun. Okay. Nakul came in just then. Nakul came outside. How did the maths paper go? Akash asked to Tarun, and then Nakul came and joined with them. Their problems quite tussle. What's the meaning of quite tussle? Here, when you are writing or reading English, you should know what is the meaning of idioms. So here, side by side, I am teaching you, and I'll explain the full content of the lesson. Idioms. 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 Idioms is nothing but a praise. That means, get me a chocolate. Get me a chocolate. Then you understood, you know that one. If I say the name, otherwise I will show the finger. You go and get the chocolates. Then you understand that one. You have to go to the office room and you have to take that. That is in a praise. Get a chocolate. Right? So like this way. Quite a tussle. Quit. Quite a tussle. TUSSL. What is the meaning of this one? Very difficult. Very difficult. Okay, children. Then only when you know the meaning of this word only you can understand. then your word perfect. Your word perfect. You are word W-O-R-D word perfect. So always don't use the R, don't press the word perfect, right? R is silent. Wherever the R is very difficult, R should be silent. So acquire through knowledge. Your word perfect means what for this idioms? Acquire, A-C-Q-U-I-R, acquire through knowledge. Acquire through knowledge. Next one, you are a real gem. You are a real gem. There's some persons, so really is a gem. We are used to use the word, right? The praise, the idioms. So your real gem means what? Very helpful. Very, you are real gem. Means what? Very helpful. So when you're using the words, conversation, or writing any poem, essays, or letter writing, you can use the idioms. Then it will be very nice. Very helpful. Joseph is a real gem. That means understood he is a very helpful person, right? So instead of writing the sentence, you can use the idioms. Dark side of things. What is the other one? Dark side of the things. Why I am writing this one? Because then when you read the lesson, you can understand easily. It means negative thinking. Dark side of the things means what? Negative. Negative thinking. Now we can go to the lesson. Then you can listen. Annoy means what? Anger. Annoy means what? Anger. Awful, extremely bad or unpleasant, extremely bad or unpleasant. So another one, embarrassing, B-R-A-C-I-N-G means supportive. What is the meaning for that one? Supportive or stimulating, supportive or stimulating. Console, give comfort. Console means what? Give comfort or sympathy. Dejectedly means looking depressed. You are looking so dejectedly today. Why? Can't understand, you can't concentrate in the lesson. So when you are asking like that, right? So you should know the meaning of that one. So dejectedly, looking depressed. Looking depressed. Fleeting, lasting for only a short time. Just for a few minutes you are listening and concentrating. Then you are divided. That means what? Fleeting. Lasting for only a short time. So when you are continuously, you are not concentrate that one, just 1 second or something, that is called only a short time you are distracted. For that the word you are using for fleeting, right? Gloomy. What? Why are you so gloomy today? Why are you so gloomy, man? Why are you so gloomy, boy? They are asking the class. So what is a gloomy means? Sad and depressed. Sad and depressed. Mumble. M-U-M-B-L-E. Mumble means speech that it is not heard clearly. It's not here clearly. Why are you so panic? Why are you so panic? So when you are getting less marks, why are you so panic? No problem. You can try it, work hard and get that one. Because maybe you are scared for your mummy will scold you or daddy will scold something. So because you are panic. So great fear. Great fear. So you are getting everything, all the subjects you get for A+. In one subject you get for C, you are great panic. Why you are panic? Don't be panic, right? We have used the word. So panic means what? Great fear. So relieve. Lessen anxiety. Relieve that one. Relieve that matter. So lessen anxiety. Reluctant. Reluctant means what? Unwilling. Reluctant. What is the meaning of reluctant? Unwilling. Why are you so reluctant when you write this question answers? Is not right properly. Then very reluctantly you are writing. I used to write, right? So reluctant means what? Unwilling. Without any interest you are writing like that. Without any interest you are reading like that. Tussle means what? Struggle. Tussle means what? Tussle. Tussle means struggle. Now we can go through the lesson. Now we can understand this. Nakul came in just then. He looked depressed. What's up, Nakul? Maths is your favorite subject? Akash was surprised. Akash was surprised because he came late. So it's your favorite subject? Yes, Akash was surprised. I decided to answer those problems first and leave the easy ones. So what I am doing? I decided to answer the tough problems first and leave the easy ones for the last 10 minutes. You people are doing right. Sometimes you are doing the tough one, you are writing first and the known answers you are writing at the last, like the same way he is telling them. But they took more time than I expected. So what you have to do, always, this is also one clue when you are writing the exam, which one you know, write the question number and complete all the answers. That's very important. Then which one you don't know, you can think it and write. Here what had happened, here you can see. But they took more time than I expected. So I could not finish 2 questions. Nakul replied. Even though you know the answer, you could not reply. Because why? Because time is not sufficient. So I could not finish 2 questions. Then never mind. It is not the final exam. Write faster next time or set your watch 10 minutes ahead so that you can answer all the questions. Akash consoled him. Akash consoled to whom? Akash consoled to Nakul. Now you understand, right? How? It's easy to say that as to don't have to worry, Nakul retorted. So what is telling? Next time you keep ahead for 10 minutes before and you can write the exam. Don't feel bad, he is telling. When the room was silent that night, Akash woke up suddenly. Akash was a new boy. Akash is a new boy in the class. He had joined the boarding school almost the end of the first term. You know what is the meaning end of the first term, right? The first term before and the end of the first term only, he came and joined that one. What's the matter? Asked Akash whispered. I have made a terrible mistake, Nakul said. When they are there in the boarding school, when they are sleeping night time, both the boys are talking. What is the mistake? Asked Akash. I'm sure I have forgotten something. Really, I know that one I forgot something. I think I have either written my name or my roll number on the maths answer script, Nakul mumbled dejectedly. So, I already told what is the meaning of dejectedly, right? So, dejectedly means looking depressed. Maybe I wrote my name in that one. I didn't write my name. I didn't write my roll number. Is in the night time, both of them in the hostel, they're sitting and talking. I'm sure I have forgotten something. He told again. Oh, is that all? I thought something awful had happened. Akash was relieved. Look, it is just 9:30. Sir, is sure to be up. Let us go and see him. You can explain what's wrong. You can go to the sir and we can explain that one. You're coming too? You're coming too? I already told every classes I'm teaching you. TO2 is a preposition. TOO is also. Here TOO also. You're coming too? You're also coming with me? Thanks. Nakul looked relieved as the 2 boys crept out of the room and walked to the master's study. When Varghese was startled to see them and listened to Nakul's stamp explanation, he unlocked a drawer and went through the answer script. You locked the drawer. You are telling no that you locked the drawer and went through the answer script. You have written your name and roll number, Nakul. You panicked unnecessarily. You watched them leave his room. So what the SAS told? What is the SAS name? Here, Varghese. What is Mr. Varghese? SAS name is Mr. Here, Mr. Varghese is telling, okay, you go to your room. You wrote your name and wrote your roll number also. VERGHESE. Varghese. Mr. Varghese. Okay. Now you written both of them went to their room. Help. I have got to learn so many lines. Nakul grounded. I will help you to practice till your word perfect. Akash grunted. Nakul was glad to his generous offer. So your Nakul is here. You should know the 2 points. Nakul is always looked at the dark side. Here I said no, dark side of the things. Who's doing the dark side? Nakul is dark side of the things. That means what? Negative things. Always the negative things. Here Akash is always courageous and cheerful boy. Courageous and cheerful boy. I'll rub this one and then I'll explain you what is the determination factor for success. That is the important thing in the lesson. I'll write one table. Then you can understand what all the things are very important for this lesson. For this is everyone, all the classes, all the students is very important. This lesson was by Neela Subramanian. I told no, Neela Subramanian demonstrates how our attitudes are responsible in achieving success. Attitudes achieving success. What are the things, attitudes you want there to achieve the success? I will tell you all the points. I will read and explain you, right? Achieving success or failure. Two things are there, right? Success or failure. How trials in life lead to tragedies or triumphs depending on how we handle. How we handle the situation. That one give the success and failure. Nakul, a boy of class 6, was something overconfident. Who's having overconfident? Nakul is always having the overconfident. A boy of overconfident and was not sure of what he would do or what have done. He is not sure that what he would do or what would have done. So who's that doubt for that? Always Nakul. What is having the two dark things, the negative things for this one, for this boy? Tell me. Now I explain, you know, what he would do, what he would do. Or would have done. These two things is always confuse the Nakul. What he would do or what have done. The two things with Nakul. I'll take one chocolate. Wait a minute. A boy of class, okay. His negative attitudes annoyed others and put him in trouble. It is disturbing others also, put him in trouble. Akash, the classmate of Nakul, though handicapped, was very optimistic. Is a handicap. Who is that handicapped boy here? Akash. So, Akash is always optimistic. OPTISMISTIST. Optimistic. Courageous. 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 And even generous also. GENEROUS. Generous is a sweet natured boy. And sweet nature boy. This is the difference between for two. This is Akash. This is a handicapped boy. We know that one. No, they may limping. They can't. It's something. Handicapped means it's not respectfully in this lesson. But it's a handicapped boy. This Nakul is always seeing the negative things and what he would do and what would have done. The doubt for the Nakul. Akash is a prince boy, courageous, generous, and sweet nature boy. Right, come to the point now. He was a favorite of all his teachers because of his good and helping nature. He is a good for a favorite student of all the subject teachers. The company of Akash is counseling, is positive. One is counseling, is giving counseling to other students, friends also. Is positive approach to all the odd situation, ODD. So hard. HARD, hard. Same pronunciation, different spelling, different meaning, homophones. I told you already, right? His positive approach to all the hard situations of Nakul began to change the outlook of Nakul. It's began making to change the outlook of Nakul. In the beginning, Nakul felt jealous of Akash's popularity. First, Nakul is very jealous on Akash because he's very favorite student for all the subject teachers, and his popularity is Nakul felt jealous. Later, when he began to compare his approach to the situations with the positive approach of Akash, and when he heard about the opinions of his teachers about Akash, he realized why Akash was liked by everyone. Then you understand. Then Nakul understand why Akash is very favorite for all the teachers. How you tackle the situation, and is always in our situation help Nakul to how he has to come out. So afterwards he understand about Akash nature, and Akash, when he heard about his opinion of his teachers about Akash, he realized why Akash was liked by everyone. He was glad that he had a friend like Akash and admired him. He started admiring Akash. He anxiously asked him how could he be so cheerful despite his handicap. Akash replied that his grandma taught him to accept the reality of life and learn to enjoy life as it is and spread the smile to others. Who taught you to Akash? Grandma. Akash is asking how you are so cheerful all the time. We will read it in this lesson what the grandma told. No one wants to weep with you. No one wants to weep with you. Shall I read it once again? Listen carefully. No one wants to weep with you if you are always sad. If you are always sad. Lonely you will never be if you are brave and glad. Lonely you will never be if you are brave and glad. Search the clouds, you are sure to see. Search the clouds, you are sure to see. A gleam of light will follow. A gleam of light will follow. Though today is grim and grey. Though today is grim and grey, remember there is tomorrow. There is tomorrow. So, Akash grandma is always telling to be glad. Akash replied that his grandma taught him to accept the reality of life and learn to enjoy life as it is and spread the smile to others. He's not, even though he's handicapped, he's not having the inferiority. He's always cheerful and helping nature, everything. So that now Nakul is admire Akash. Now what is the success of Akash? Can anyone of you can tell me what is the character, what is the attitude, is success for the Akash? We can write this one. What are the things here? We can write. Yes. Then you can keep it in your mind. In your life also, you have to follow this one. First, you should have positive attitudes. First, you should have goal. You should have a goal. Then, you should have positive attitude. Next one, what for you have to have? Positive. Positive. Positive attitude. Attitude. First thing, you should have a goal. Then you should have the positive attitude. Then you should inspiration. It's very inspiration. Inspiration. Then you should have interest. This and all the things will lead into success. You should have interest. You should have goal and inspiration. Then you have the positive attitude. So what you should not have, we don't want, because when you have that, we should not be overconfident, should not, then no, you should not have ego, laziness and all. Then should, one more thing you should have, very very important, is commitment. Another one we need for commitment. This and all lead into success. So this is a lesson for Nakul, for Neela Subramanian, right? This is for everyone, not only you, for each and every human being, each and every person, whether they younger or old or whatever it is, they should have in this one attitude in their life, should have interest, and then you have the commitment, inspiration, positive attitude, you can achieve the goal. Okay children, I hope that one you all understand this lesson. Once again you take the textbook and read the lesson, still more you can understand. Okay, write the answers in your workbook. Who are not still didn't get your workbook, come and pay the fees and get the workbook and write and complete that lesson. So this one is very very important, so helpful for everyone. This is not only a lesson, in practical life everyone can follow this method. Thank you children, have a nice day.